Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to fetch the distinct values from the table in Oracle. So I have opened a SQL developer and I have a table called employee EMP. Select star from, I'm going to show you the data. Select star from EMP. So here you can see we have employee table here. So in this one I'm going to pick this job field because this one has so many duplicates. So manager 3 times, analyst 2 times, salesman 4 times, clerks 4 times. So I'm going to use that job field. So I just want to fetch only unique values from the job field. So how we can do that? So this is the first way. Select, I'm going to use a unique. So select unique job from EMP. If I execute this one, and we can fetch unique values. So this is the one way. And the other way, we can use a distinct, select distinct job from EMP. By using distinct also, we can fetch the unique values. Also, I'm going to show you one more thing. We can also use group by. Select job from EMP. Group by job. We do like this. If I execute that statement, I think it is lagging a little bit, so it gets executed. I'm going to execute again. So like this also we can fetch the unique values. And also I'm going to show you one more thing. You can also use a row number function. So I'll try to explain that one. So I'm going to take a job field and row number here, and over partition by, I'm going to take a job. Also we need to mention order by. Also I'm taking job. So it will give like I'll show you the output of this table. So it will give like a 1 2 3 for this job particular partition, and then if new job occurred, then it will start again the row number from 1. So here you can see for analyst it give 1 2, for clerk it give 1 2 3 4, and for manager 1 2 3, president 1, salesman we have 4 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to write one more select statement, and I'm going to put this entire select statement in a substring, subquery. So select job from, I'm going to take this entire select statement, subquery, and here we need to mention a where condition. I'm going to give alias name for this row number. So I'm giving rn as an alias name. So here what we need to mention, where rn is equals to 1. So if we take rn is equals to 1, then it will take only the first values of this job field. That means like in analyst we can see only one value, row number equals to 1, only one analyst. So in clerk, only one clerk here, where rn is equals to 1. So like this it will fetch only the first values. So if we execute this statement, then we can get only unique values. So like this, these are the 4 ways that we can fetch. Maybe there could be many ways we can fetch the unique values from a table. So if you know like any other ways, then you can please comment down below so other people can know. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.